How to redeem Roblox codes. So if you want to redeem Roblox codes, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. Don't go with the application. Open up your browser, go with roblox.com. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go with the search. And here, you need to remove everything that's after roblox.com. And you need to enter promo codes and hit the enter. Or you can also search for redeem and then hit the enter. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, to redeem your Roblox code, you need to first enter your code right here, or you can go with how to redeem promo codes right here on the right side. Then it will give you the information. So you need to go with redeem Roblox code, which will take you to this kind of interface, and enter the code and click on redeem. So it's that simple. Enter the code right here, click on redeem, and your code will be redeemed. If you're using your mobile, you can go with your browser, like Chrome browser. If you're using your iOS device, you can go with Safari, but don't use the application. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.